I decided to upgrade my Mandalorian cosplay with the gloves. So I bought some yellow work gloves from the dollar store and black gloves from the dollar store. And I basically cut out the fingers of the black gloves, and I cut off the bottom as they were too long on these yellow work gloves. And I just basically fed it through the black glove on the inside, and it came out like this, which worked out perfect except for the little red parts, which I'm slowly cutting out. And then I glued the armor piece right up on top just with regular glue, and it fits like so. Perfect for what I need. Peace. More upgrades coming soon.